Hey planner friends, how's it going? Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. My name is Ryan and this is The Man with the Plans. We're gonna do a quick little monthly plan with me. I don't have a whole lot of like crazy stuff going on in here, but I have this adorable monthly kit from PlannerKate. I'll leave a link to their website down below if you're curious. Yeah, so I mean like I generally do a little bit of monthly overview, and I'm also gonna stick in the May, these are the holidays, from the Celebrations collection from Chris Ann Designs. So like here's how April turned out. Yeah, see, I don't really like use this too much for a lot of my planning. That comes out of my daily and my weekly, but I still like to set it up and keep it nice. So I figured I would go ahead and start getting into just putting these together again. So we will start with the little header fella over here. I have to say, I am so excited that the weather is finally starting to get nice here in Minnesota. It's been kind of hit or miss for a couple of weeks now, where one day it'll be glorious and the next day it'll be raining or, heaven forbid, snowing. So the fact that nice weather might be back is making me quite happy. So I'm gonna put this down this way. There we go. Alrighty, and then we will, I don't know why I'm doing it this way, but I am. So I just feel like if you put these down, it just makes your, I don't know, it makes me feel like my planner is more exciting. I don't know. I know that sometimes like I'm trying to be economical and not spend money on stickers, but sometimes these things just call to you. Okay, so we got those taken care of, the top two. I will run ahead and throw down the weekly things. I believe this is Sunday through Saturday, so Monday will be over here. So yeah, but now that the weather's been getting nice, I'm able to run outside, I'm able to start going on hikes a bit more. I don't know, it's just, this is the part of living here where it really truly comes alive. It can be rough in the winter, I'm not gonna lie to you, but when the weather does start to get nicer, you know, that's when we start hanging out on patios and going for hikes, and people have their cabins and all that other fun festive stuff. So I don't know, I am looking forward to spring and summer in all their glory. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. And yeah, so that's really it. We got Thursday. It's sad that Go Wild is over, so now we're just back to like real life. Lame. No, it's all good. There's a lot of exciting stuff. So, but I don't know, I'm almost at that point too where like the air conditioning is gonna have to start to come on because it's getting a little toasty, but that's all right. Okay, so there we go. We got the dates down. Love that. What I'm gonna do is I'll probably speed up the footage of me putting the numbers down. So enjoy a little musical interlude while I do this.
It's a new day for a high. It's another day to try to get by. And ooh, yeah, I'm feeling now every second, every hour of the day. Yeah.
Alrighty, so that's done. It's probably the most tedious part, but I just love, they look so like put together now, don't they? I'm gonna go add my little sidebar. And I don't feel like this is completely necessary, but I just like having this, I don't know, it makes me feel like my life is together. And I'm gonna just put this over here. I actually don't think this is the right spot for this, but I've just decided that's where I want it. So, got a couple of birthdays and stuff. I have some work stuff that's happening this month as well. So I will be at a work conference, I believe this day, the 29th. I'm trying to leave room for the CAD stickers because we love a Celebrations collection moment. And sometimes, so I'm gonna be at a work conference. We're gonna be at a lake in northern Minnesota, which is like the most Minnesota conference-y type thing ever. We do that until the 31st. And then actually my friend Kim is coming into town and we are running the Fargo Half Marathon on June 1st. So right after the conference lets out, I am going to get Kim and we are gonna go to Fargo. So I'm gonna be driving a lot, but it'll be a fun time. I've really enjoyed the training this go round. I don't actually think that I've I feel like I'm running some of my best runs lately, which is kind of crazy. So I don't know. I feel really excited to see if I can get myself and kind of go from there. I'm just really looking forward to it. So we'll throw this down here. Goodness, I have tweezers. You'd think I'd know by now how this would go. Okay, there we go. And then I will do another one for Fargo. I've actually never been to Fargo, North Dakota. So I've actually not been to North Dakota, period, which is kind of sad since I've lived here for almost 7 years. I haven't been to either of the Dakotas. I still haven't been to Iowa. So like I've got a little bit of like adventuring still that I need to do, but it's okay. And we are gonna add a little running sneaker to this one because it's a fun thing. And then we'll add a car for this fella. Okay, I'm gonna run through now and put in all of the dates. So it's Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage Month is the first thing. Come on. Ooh, these are stuck on there. So I like to keep these in like a section that's not a part of the month. So like since April's over here still. And then it's also Mental Health Awareness Month, which is kind of a big deal. And we've been doing a kind of a campaign at work for this too. So we'll put that down, move that out of the way. And then Beltane, is that how it's pronounced? I'm gonna butcher a lot of these, but so that's May 1st. So I'll put that here. And then May 2nd is National Truffle Day. Don't know if you heard. That's cute. Is it like chocolate truffle or mushroom truffle? I don't know, so gotta do some research. The 3rd is Garden Meditation Day. So I've actually recently started getting into meditation. I've been listening to a lot of the Abraham Hicks books and stuff, and so I've been trying to meditate once a day and like quiet my mind, and I'm really, really enjoying it. May 4th is Free Comic Book Day. It's also May the 4th Be With You, Star Wars Day. Obviously, the 5th of May, Cinco de Mayo, we love it. It's a good time had by all. I try to cover up the EC thing. It's just a little duplicative. And for ones that I think are on here, you know what? That's what we'll, yeah. I'll peel this off and we'll use the PlannerKate one since they match the header and they don't have all the holidays. So we'll put this fella back. And then we'll use these ones quickly because I had a feeling that she had put these in here. So we got Cinco de Mayo. And then I will do Mother's Day. And then obviously Memorial Day is that last week. This is gonna be a crazy week. I have 1 day of work, Tuesday. It's pretty funny. Memorial Day. Love it. Okay, great. Yep, so that's that. Trying to save all these little washi strips here. So moving right along, we have Yom HaShoah on the 5th and the 6th. So I am struggling to get these off. Do you see this? I actually don't know what Yom HaShoah is. This is the other thing I love about the Celebrations collection is I end up doing a lot of Googling. So then May 6th is National Nurses Day. So that's kind of fun. So I'll put that kind of up here. The 7th is Teacher Appreciation Day, so that's really important. I have a couple of friends that are educators, so it's super important to kind of give them the nod. One of my close friends is a kindergarten teacher, and so I don't know, she just works miracles. The 8th is World Red Cross Day. The 9th is National Sleepover Day, which is weird because it's a Thursday. So I feel like as a kid, sleepovers were like a weekend thing. I never really had sleepovers during the week, but hey. What do I know? The 10th is World Lupus Day. National Babysitters Day. Good to know. Does anyone remember that show, The Babysitters Club from the 90s? I feel like it was a little before me. Obviously Mother's Day is the 12th. Got to figure out what to get my mama. A mama with the plans, as she's known. National Apple Pie Day. And this is the other thing, like this is just fun. Dance Like a Chicken Day is May 14th, so that's kind of fun and festive. The 15th is Buddha Purnima. No, did not know about that. May 16th is Honor Our LGBT Elders Day. I didn't know that was even a holiday. So that is such a good thing though. I feel like being able to recognize those who came before us and those who paved the way. Graduation Tassel Day is May 17th. So that's cool. Add that down. Armed Forces Day is the 18th. The 19th, I didn't know that this was coming up, but 14 years of CAD is going on this year, so that's kind of exciting. We got Rescue Dog Day, which I am considering getting a puppy. I don't know, it's a big life choice, and I can't decide. But then we have World Day for Cultural Diversity on May 21st. Love that. Then we have Craft Distillery Day on the 22nd. Geez, sign me up. Heck yes. And then Lucky Penny Day is May 23rd. I didn't know that. Interesting. And we've got National Cooler Day on the 24th. Love that. National Wine Day. Didn't know that had a holiday, but hey, I'm a fan. Okay. May 26th is Blueberry Cheesecake Day, which I didn't know different like variations of cheesecake had a day, but I'm also not disappointed by that fact. The 28th is Brisket Day. Obviously we have Memorial Day, so we'll spend some time honoring those who had fallen in the line of duty. Paperclip Day is the 29th of May. That's interesting. Maybe I'll bring that up. That'll be my networking fun fact at the conference. The 30th is Creativity Day. And the 31st is Smile Day. So that's kind of fun. Neat. What I am going to do is I will go back and put in the payday stickers. I only have 2 this month. Only have 2. It's a normal month, so there's one on the 10th with the little $sign. And then 2 is the 24th. Right, that's 2 weeks later. Here you go. Yeah, so that'll be fun. And obviously pretty much every Sunday I go grocery shopping, so I just kind of throw the grocery bag icon here in the top corner. I don't have anything planned for Mother's Day. I need to figure out when I'm gonna go visit my family next. It's kind of been a while, so I need to look into that. I'm probably not gonna grocery shop this day because I'm literally gonna be gone for so long, so maybe I'll do a little one, I don't know. I did go to Costco earlier this month, so. And then I don't have a trash day, but usually it ends up being as I clean out the fridge Sunday that I throw those in, so we'll put some trash cans down. There's really nothing worse than coming home and not taking your trash out, which is why I moved it here. The last real thing that I do here, I'll probably do a to-do list on the bottom, but I do want to just throw down some birthdays that I've got for the month. So my wonderful friend Nina is going to be on the 23rd. So gotta celebrate one of the zebras. And then one of my really good friends from college who is actually in the same fraternity. When I say fraternity, it's a pre-law thing, so it's not even really a fraternity. But that's how we met, so yeah, they are the 23rd and the 24th. Not a lot of relatives that I have born in the month of May, which I find kind of interesting. I don't know. But these 2 gems are wonderful, and so I'm so glad to make sure that I'm going to include them and send them a little reminder as we move into the rest of the month and celebrate their special day. So we'll give them each a little star. And then I think that's gonna really be about it. There's not a whole lot. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great month of May. Is there anything exciting happening on your calendar? Let me know in the comments below. Also, what's your favorite holiday? I think Honor Our LGBT Elders Day is up there. I also think obviously Memorial Day is important, and then who could say no to 14 years of CAD? But yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Helps the channel out. Don't forget to connect with me over on Instagram. I am over at A Man With The Plans, making reels and all that stuff. Make sure you subscribe though. If you like what you see and you made it to the end of the video, you'll want to see more of that. So go ahead and do that. You'll see my content in your feed as soon as it's published. So yeah, hope you have a great month of May, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, planner friends.